Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking in a stable base, feet shoulder width and a slight knee bend. This lowers your center of gravity so you resist motion better. Place roughly 50/50 weight or 55/45 toward the back foot to stay ready without tipping forward. Keep your head over the back knee and eyes level so your visual anchor reduces upper body drift. Once set, take one small practice load, short, controlled, to feel balance before initiating the swing. Next, refine the load and stride so your body moves compactly. Perform a short hip coil, about 1/2 to 1 inch, and avoid any dramatic backward shift that causes swaying. Your stride should be small, no more than 1/2 of your stance length, which preserves balance and weight transfer. As you stride, brace your core and initiate rotation from the lead hip while keeping your hands near the center line. This sequence creates a connected chain from lower to upper body, and finish by driving aggressively with your back leg and rotating the hips first. Let the hands follow so they do not pull you forward. Make sure you finish balanced on your front leg with eyes locked on the contact point. This confirms weight transfer without swaying. If you still sway, film several swings to spot the timing issue, shorten the stride, and add single-leg balance and slow-motion T-drills to retrain sequencing. Make adjustments gradually and repeat until the motion is stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.